Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video today on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I want to show you how to complete your verification for those whose verifications are still hanging on Pi network so that your Pi can be migrated. This is very simple. A lot of people have been doing what we are doing now. We want to teach you now. And for those of you who have been having challenges all this while, you are like, what do I do? What next? So this is a simple thing you need to do. Now let me click on top of where I have my coin here. That's here, please. That is always the best place to go through. Now, at this point, you are seeing all of this. Click on Mainnet checklist. Mainnet checklist. Now, if you look at all these Mainnet checklists, you have seen the first one say download Pi browser app. It's completed. Create a Pi wallet. Completed. Confirm your Pi wallet and all that. So the one that many people are having problem now. In fact, there are some people who has green in all of this, but recently they discovered that this third one, confirm your Pi wallet, is already now turning yellow, meaning that it's still tentative. Things has not yet happened. And as long as your Pi wallet is not confirmed, you cannot migrate anything. So once you get to this point, please, I'm not going to do that now because I've already done it. I'm not going to repeat it. Tap on that place. Once you tap on it, the system will require you to log in fully by putting your paraphrase, the 12 or 24 word passphrase or whatever, whether you are using your whatever thumbs, whatever, just to show that you are the one logging in. So once you do that, now the system is going to send, you are going to see your wallet Pi wallet address, then your email will show, then the system will ask that you confirm email. Now once you click on it, go check your email and you're going to see verification, that verification link. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you back to this system and everything will become simply green. But if you do it and come back and it's not, so please repeat it at least 1 or 2 times, because sometimes it's that case. You do it for the first time, you discover nothing happened. Don't be discouraged, just do it again, and it's very simple. Please, this video is very important because a lot of people are struggling and you know what it means. So even if you've done your own and you are getting to see this video right now, share it so that others out there, your friends, those who are struggling, not knowing what next to do, they can follow these simple steps and get their Pi whatever verified so that migration can be very much easier for all of us. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and follow up there by hitting that notification bell so that anytime we release more updates on Pi, on cryptocurrency, on money making opportunities and every other thing here online on our channel, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video makes sense to you, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.